A stunning comeback for the Samajwadi Party in Uttar Pradesh. Akhilesh Yadav, heading the party, has appreciated the voters, giving them a thanks, but also to reach Kannauj, from where he's won as a member of parliament. In just a short while, we are told that he will be heading to the constituency, but that will also, there's a lot of protocol and procedures involved here, which is to take the certificate of the Kannauj seat from the returning officer after you won, and then to thank the voters at the Samajwadi Party office. And then he comes to Delhi because he's part of the India bloc. Remember, it is because of this man you're looking at on your screen. The biggest setback in Uttar Pradesh came to BJP from UP and because of the Samajwadi Party. Because in many ways it was believed the Samajwadi Party's era over. Clearly not when it comes to the Lok Sabha constituencies. And it is because of Samajwadi Party that Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra were smiling ear to ear because it is added to the India bloc tally. Samajwadi Party and Akhilesh Yadav have literally stolen the thunder for the NDA and for the BJP in their biggest stronghold, that was Uttar Pradesh. Samajwadi Party made a strong comeback from 2019. It was in many ways the regional satrap issue that has surfaced again. And this, remember, now becoming one of the big issues of their power when it comes to the India alliance with the Congress Party. Take a look at this report of how Samajwadi Party's return in Uttar Pradesh was the biggest highlight of the election results.
SP Congress alliance tops Modi Yogi Jagannauth in Uttar Pradesh. The Akhilesh Yadav-led Samajwadi Party has fueled India bloc's surge in the biggest Hindi heartland state, ensuring a huge setback for the ruling BJP. Akhilesh Yadav has been pivotal in revitalizing his party by banking on the PTA card or Pichhda Dalit Alpasankyak focus. His efforts to boost Samajwadi Party's image and appeal to a broader electorate, including the youth, have seemed to have worked well on the ground.
भाजपा की भ्रष्ट नीतियां बीते कल के लिए नहीं बल्कि भविष्य में भी देश की रक्षा के लिए असमर्थ व अक्षम है। इसलिए जनता इस बार गांधी जी को याद करते हुए करो या मरो की तरह आंदोलित हो गई है और अपने देश के भविष्य बचाने के लिए नया स्वतंत्रता आंदोलन लड़ने के लिए तैयार बैठी है।
Proving wrong various projections, Akhilesh's party has emerged as the big challenger to the Saffron Party in Uttar Pradesh, backed by Congress.
जैसे जैसे चुनाव आगे बढ़ रहा है, वैसे जनता का गुस्सा और बढ़ता चला जा रहा है सरकार के खिलाफ। ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने किसानों को आय दोगुनी का वादा किया था। हर साल नौजवानों को 2 करोड़ नौकरी मिलेगी। उनकी हर बात झूठी निकली और वादे झूठे निकले, इसलिए जनता इनके खिलाफ मतदान करने जा रही है।
In the last Lok Sabha election, in which the BJP got 62 of the state's 80 seats, the Samajwadi Party managed to secure only 5 seats. The good showing comes despite Modi's big attacks on campaign trail.
पराजय के बाद बलि के बकरे को खोजा जाएगा। खटाखट खटाखट। और शहजादे, चाहे वो लखनऊ वाले शहजादे हो या दिल्ली वाले, ये शहजादे गर्मी की छुट्टियों पर विदेश निकल जाएंगे।
The Ram Temple Pran Pratishtha seems to have failed to further boost votes for the BJP. With the India bloc winning big chunk of seats in the biggest state, is there a shift in Hindi heartland? Bureau Report, India Today.